Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some Easter stash to share with everybody. Thank you, Leanna, for your what's in my stash video. I love those videos you do, because then it gets me opening up my supplies and checking out what I already have, so I don't go and repurchase stuff that I don't need. So anyway, let's get started. These are recent purchases from Dollar Tree. So these are new to me. I don't know if it's new to Dollar Tree, but it is to me. So I got 2 packs of these Easter egg shells that are seashell shaped. I'm not necessarily using it for Easter, but summer is coming up, of course. But I did get it for Easter, or during Easter. I did pick up 2 packs of the bunny sacks, and there's 4 in each, and I'm hoping I can get to making an Easter banner this year. I have a banner already in my decorating stash. I just haven't pulled out my decorations for Easter yet. It's just in a separate area for my storage. So I got 2 of those. These are also new to Dollar Tree. I got 2 packs of these, the little bunny clips. Now, I did have these 2 in my stash, and this is new in my stash. I just recently purchased this one. I don't wear them. My plan was to use them as a decoration. And they have those cute little tails. But I haven't gotten there yet. I did pick up the wood pieces that came out like in February. So I picked up 1 of each design, and I thought, that would go well with the sacks, the Easter sacks. And then I got 2 of the carrots that are these. I hauled these way back already, back in February. Yeah, January, February time, when they first came out. This one I opened accidentally. So I got 2 packs of the foam carrots, and then 2 of the felt. These are felt stickers. So I got 2 of those. And then with the felt family, I got 2 packs of the Easter eggs and 2 packs of the bunnies. Now these are all getting ready for a swap if I can get myself in. I got 1 of the bunnies. This is new to me, or to Dollar Tree, and they're just ready to go. So I love they're individually packed, and you can just take that and stick it into like Happy Mail, and they can assemble it themselves. And so are the sheeps or lambs, or whatever we want to call those nowadays. This is old in my stash, so got these a long time ago. This is from Dollar Tree, so this is the bunny tail, nice and fluffy. I have this in my home decor stash. This is the Easter bunny egg. I just took the acetone and cleaned the face off of the Easter egg, which I thought was cute like that. And then this is the Dollar Tree erasers, and I saw that they have this again this year. And I've only used 1 so far, but I turned it into a charm. So how I did that was I just used my awl and poked a hole on the top of the bunny. And it looks aggressive, but see how you can make a big hole, but it'll close up. And then you just use your bead pins and put some E6000 on the pin, and then just take the pin and push it through, and then let it sit, and then you'll have a little bead or a little charm. But that is what I use it for, and I'm not the first to do that. I've seen other people doing them. And this came off of I believe it was an Easter basket decoration. But this one, it's a great idea. You can put like a photo in here or you can turn it into a shaker if you so desire. And then I pulled some of my decorating stash, like the Easter eggs. These are Dollar Tree items. And I have some birds in here. And I also have some, I was trying to play with this a little bit. I just took one of the paper tool, what is this called? Paper streamers, to make it into some kind of a collar, and I don't know, it didn't work out. And then these are just rosettes. So that's in my stash. And the other part I have are the Target Dollar Spot felt eggs. So this is from Target, and it comes just like that. It has the Easter eggs and the bird, the chick. But this is replicated. I remade this. I just used this as a pattern. And then I just hand stitched around the eggs. And then I used some of my rickrack. And the bird is also just a pattern. Or no, this is the same bird. But that is what I did with this egg. So it's a good idea, but I don't like the brown anymore. I don't like it anymore. And so this is just the cutoff part from the top layer. Alright, so I have those, and those are all from Target. This is from Dollar Tree. So I got these mainly because I was doing like the fairy gardens and stuff like that. I haven't even pulled out fairy stuff. And then this is just Target, what is this, wood stickers. This is more eggs from Dollar Tree. These Easter bunnies are from Target. The felt pouches, that was this here. That was this. And these are, oh, there's my pattern. See, so it comes with the pouch. It comes with a pattern. And that's how I created that extra egg. But these are all just felt bunnies from Target. Yeah, so I wanted to make, what is it called? A mini album with the bunnies. But we'll see what we come up with. So that's the bunnies. And the clips are from Walmart. These are from Walmart several years ago, and I used to have the word Easter. I spelt Easter on the clips. So yeah, that I think that's it for my stash. I don't think I have Easter. I don't think I have Easter paper. Let me see. Just double check. I don't have 12 by 12 Easter paper, but oh yes, I do have 6 by 6, and they're all from Tuesday Morning. So there's not many. So I don't know if this is Easter, but this is Hobby Lobby paper pad, and it just says double-sided. Look at the tags. To me, it's like springish, kind of. Those are cute. Cute. And this is Authentique. This is from Tuesday Morning, and this also says spring to me. It's got some florals, and it's double-sided. There's the butterflies and that wood grain, and there's those little bingo cards. More butterflies and flowers. So you see, without having bunnies on here, it says spring to me. And then you have these little Polaroids. I think I've used this pad already. Yeah, because there's some loose pages in there. And then here's some Bo Bunny, also from Tuesday Morning. Yeah, this is one Easter pad that I have. I don't have 12 by 12. If I do, I can't find it. I don't know where it went. Because because I was looking. But here you go. That's what we got for 12 for the 6x6. And then the last part, Echo Park, Just Be You. It's not Easter, but if you guys look at the colors, and they're double-sided, very spring, very cute. With the bicycles. Whoops. Oops, oops. Okay, well, whatever. You got the little cut. You can cut those out. Put them on buttons. There's the bicycles. Yeah, that's it for my Easter so far. Oh, liar. Sorry, guys. I did pick this up again from Walmart. You saw that in a previous haul. I do have some chipboard stickers from Target. This was 2 years ago already. And this is what I've got. Got little baby chicks. This is the Spritz collection from Target. Love the little baby chicks. They're so cute. And got the little flowers with them and the little eggs. So cute. A little boy chick, a little girl chick. It's so cute. It's a very cute collection, and this was one of the last Spritz collections that I've purchased at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, at Target. So this whole kit came with the bunnies, the bunny heads, some Easter eggs, some more Easter eggs, some florals. These are like pinks and foils and glitters, and some foil florals here. These are cute. More florals, and then I just have room to grow because I was going to put some of the felt stickers in here, like these. I was going to put them in there, but we'll see. But now that is it, because I don't have 12x12 for this. I do have the Hobby Lobby stickers that I hauled. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but here you go. I got this pack, and it has 2 sheets. So it's got one puffy and one clear. Here's the clear stickers. Then you got the bunnies with the butt, and then the headbands. And I love these. These guys are so hilarious. And you got the heads, the felted bunnies, and then some of the butterflies. Now really, that is really it for my Easter. Yeah, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and what's in your stash? Let's share, and let's tag Leanna for sharing her Easter stash. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thumbs up this video, guys. Bye.